Hello, this is Nippy. Welcome to Beyond Horizons, your gateway to mastering power system software. This channel is dedicated to providing clear, practical, and in-depth tutorials on industry standard tools used in electrical power systems. Whether you are a student or engineer or even an enthusiast, our content will guide you through simulations, analysis techniques, and real world applications to expand your technical skills and understanding. Join us as we go beyond the basics, beyond boundaries, beyond horizons. Ever wondered how real time power system simulations are done? Welcome to RSCAD, the software behind the real time digital simulator. RSCAD is a graphical user interface used with RTDS simulator, a real time platform for simulating power system and control hardware. Why should you use RSCAD? It allows engineers to model and test electrical systems, protection schemes, and control algorithms before applying them in the real world, cost saving as well as reducing the risk. What are the main components? As you can see visually, this is the RSCAD FX 2.4. And here you have the master library, you have the file manager, the runtime. I will explain every part of it step by step. So the first is the draft screen. This draft screen is where it's used for building circuits. The runtime is used for running and observing. And then there are numerous library components that is in power system. You have general sources, breakers, faults, and passive elements, transformers, instrument transformers, T-lines and cables, machines, renewables, interface components, power electronics, and whatnot. You have a lot of things. And in that, under each of it, you will have every general library you can access for modeling a system. From modeling a system to connecting renewables to the machines, you have every single control given here. So RSCAD is used worldwide by utilities, research institutes, and universities for hardware in loop testing, protection validation, and system studies. That's a quick intro to RSCAD. Want tutorials on building your first simulation? Hit subscribe and stay tuned. Beyond Horizons.